Hello everyone, Moshe the Electric Israeli and FSD here. Thank you for joining. A few weeks ago, I went to the Autopilot Tesla Service Center. It's in northern New Jersey, and I went there for a simple service. I had the pleasure to see the Tesla Model 3 standard and the Tesla Model Y standard. Now, the Tesla Model 3 standard, not too many changes. Of course, less range and all that. But outside, inside, most of it, same thing. Not the Model Y, not the Model Y. The Model Y is completely and totally different from the frunk that it's reduced. I'm showing you some of the videos I took from frunk to the trunk to the automatic seat, obviously the range, and the heated seat, and there is glass roof, but you can see it. I really a reduced, diminished car, which I would never recommend to anyone. But last night, this happened. Look what happened. You can only finance the Tesla Model Y standard. You cannot lease it. You can pay it cash. So let's look at the cash and compare really the first two options, because that's the best one to compare. So it's $40,000 for the standard, $45,000 for the premium rear-wheel drive. So obviously this is 321 miles versus 357 miles. Like 10 minutes ago, before I made this video, I just decided to list the premium red of the inventory. We'll do a video when I get it in a few days. So it's really $5,000 different. Okay, but I never recommended it because it was $5,000 more for so much less. But here's what happened last night. So here is the standard again. So zero down. APR $3,300 for 72 months. So for the premium, by the way, it's $299 APR for $3,300. So let's do just simple math. Let's go to the calculator, and if you do 72 months times $529 plus $3,300, total amount of money that you'll pay is $41,388. Okay, that's it. Now, if you do this one, the other option, $655 for 72 months. So let's do $655 times 72 months plus $3,300. Now, for a little bit over 41,000 became 50,000. That's $9,000 more. That's almost 10 grand. Actually, it's 54. It's 10 grand. It's really 10 grand. It's close to that. So that's a lot of money. See what 0% does? 0% is magic. Okay, because now you're not paying this 3%. Okay, so $10,000 difference between these two cars is huge. It's huge. However, it's very important that we remember the differences. Let's go back to the website, and just so you know, the standard range, as wonderful as it is, 321 miles. So you are losing the 357, 21, 31, 41, 51, 46 miles. You're losing. So that's a lot of miles. Okay, 5.40 to 60 versus 6.8. That's over 7 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers. That's very slow. Okay, also, it comes with standard 18-inch wheel, which, by the way, I like because they're very comfortable. Only 3 options of colors: white, black, and the gray. The gray is the default. Okay, now you can get the 19-inch if you'd like, but they will cut your range to 303 miles. As opposed to the premium, which gets the 19-inch but 357 miles. Okay, so 357 versus 303 if you choose the 19-inch. Okay, so that's a big pack. The tow hinge, only black interior. There's no white interior. You can order the full self-driving and all that stuff. So what I'm saying, the difference is not small. It's big. I mean, I've been in it. It's like a different car. There's no center console. It's cut in half. It's open. It's a different car. But $10,000 is a lot of money. It's not small change. But look, let's go back. The premium and the premium all-wheel drive do have the $299. Do have the $299 and the $3,300 down payment. Now the Model 3, let's take a look at the Model 3. Model 3 has really great incentives. Okay, first of all, again, the standard range does not have a lease option. Does not. It's only the premium, the two premiums and the performance. So they don't have it. Okay, but it has 6.31% finance for the standard. That's a ripoff, as opposed to the premium, which has $299 and $3,300 down, and same thing with the premium and the performance also. So you can get the two premiums, rear wheel, all wheel, or the performance for $299. Here, the standard, basically they're telling you, we don't want you to buy it. We do not want you to buy it. It's just don't buy it. So why is that? So obviously Tesla wants to clear out the Tesla standard. They are in inventory already. You can get it delivered within few days. Okay, the Tesla Model Y, the red Tesla Model Y that you just ordered like 15 minutes ago, I'm going to get it in like 3 days, 4 days. And it's reduced by $2,500 and loyalty and this and that and the other and referral codes or whatever. I use my own referral code, and I highly recommend that you use a referral code. You can use mine. It's at the bottom. It's at the description of this video. You can use it and get 3 months of FSD. Now, if you can buy a Cybertruck or Model S or Model X, you get $1,000 off. So it's really great incentive. So basically Tesla says two things: buy the Model Y. We have too many of them and nobody's buying them, or there's not too many orders, so please buy them. Now I highly recommend it. I did not recommend it for $5,000, but for $9,000, $10,000 more savings. That's a big difference. It's a huge difference. $10,000, $9,000, $10,000. It's a lot of money. Okay, and you can buy a white, and you can buy the white color or the black color if you want, and you can maybe add full self-driving. Okay, for that if you finance it or pay it cash. So it's a great deal. It is a great deal to finance at a 0%. It's awesome deal. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And here's a word from my sponsor.